Hello viewers, first time join my Telegram channel, apps link Telegram channel I am share. Okay, copy this invitation code and click on the links options. Telegram app link I am share. Okay, join my Telegram channel first. Google Play Store, this apps not available. Okay, click on the manually Android APK. Okay, download complete, install these apps. I'm just waiting now and open this app. Select your language, click on the select language. I am select English. Okay, you any use, no problem. Okay, private key, create account, click on the private key, copy this private key and your password and confirm password and verification code, enter the verification code, see you and click on the confirm. Okay, paste your private key and click on the verify option. Okay, my account login successfully. Okay, my account balance 0. Okay, just waiting now, click on the invite option. Okay, my invitation code paste now. Okay, I am use my friend invitation code, click on the bind option. Okay, binding. Oh, so nice, $400 free. Okay, $400 free. Do not miss this video. Okay, your wallet address. Okay, and transfer. Okay, next video, all details share, transfer and withdraw. Okay, first joining now and referral, no referral bonus. Okay, only referral, my referral code use $400 free and my no referral commission added. Okay, and next earning apps, free mining BNDX coin earning, sign up complete and click on the start earning options. Unlimited coins earning this BNDX token, Binance listed, do not miss. Okay, free mining now. Open Telegram and video description this links offer. Okay, already I am creating this video full tutorial. Okay, watching now this video, this offer 100% trusted Binance listed, one token price up to $10. Thank you, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.